Yo, what's going on? I'm Michael Danier. I'm gonna show you how to make a crazy guitar melody from scratch. It's super easy. It's gonna sound super good. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. Let's go to the piano roll. We're in C sharp minor. Let's start with changing the BPM. It's a little slow. Well, it was on 70, so we changed it to 125. Yeah, make it slow. Make it slower. And we're gonna start with a regular triad, minor triad. So, okay. To make a triad, we're going to start with the root note, go up 2 notes from that. So that's 1, 2, 3, and then go up 3 notes from that. So that's our triad. Gonna erase that. Alright. We're gonna we're gonna shift click, control up. So we have a whole octave. And we're going to probably move this over. So really we just want these 3 notes. That give us a pretty good space to work with. Now we're just gonna kind of move around with these notes. Alright. We are going to shift this. Let's see. We're going to use this. Go up. And we're going to move this over to here. Shift these over. See what that sounds like. Alright. Let's Control B. We're gonna change this note to this note. See what that sounds like. Alright. I think we just changed it too fast. Let's see, we're gonna slide this over. Alright. And guess we're gonna have a lot of stuff to fill in between those spots. So alright. Let's just make something chill in the middle. So we're gonna use the same principle we used earlier. We're gonna make this would be a major chord. Major chord, just the opposite of a minor chord. So you go 3 notes up from the root note, and then you go 2 notes up from that. So we're gonna take the middle note and we're gonna raise that up, and we're gonna find some let's see what that sound like. Sound a little bit too happy. Let's see. bar to kind of randomize this, you know. Alright, here in C sharp minor. So let's figure out some raise these up, see what that sound like. Those the bells. You see, it was super simple. You know, just kind of took a chord and animated it. You know, added a little extra note. Now I just gotta figure out where I want this flute at. Most flutes I like kind of doing 1/3 beat. Let's see. Let's copy that over. Let's see. How are those? We gonna we gonna control B that, and that's pretty much the melody. It's all with no effects or nothing, you know. Let's see, we ain't gonna add nothing to them bells. Them bells chilling. I like the bells. Just gonna EQ some of it out. Add a reverb. Add the red, turn the dry down. Turn the decay up. See what that sounds like. Alright, we gonna RC20 this out. Yeah. Let's put the preset 3 on there. It's the best one. Alright, on this I just added a halftime, and I completely reversed this so it kind of has like a weird, you know, like effect. It kind of makes it, you know, you just have to try it. But I put the mix at 25%. Alright, that's the sample. I'm gonna play the whole thing one time through, let you check it out. If you like the content, like, comment, and subscribe. You know. Alright, peace.